Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and in today's video we are going to discuss all things girly. Now I have a bunch of things over here that are pretty girly, and these are some random things that I think that every girl should own because all of these things are very useful. If you are anything like me, thoda bahut into fashion and beauty, then I think all of these things would make a lot of sense to you as well. And if you aspire to be that girl, then all of these things are a good, I think, starting point for you all. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video quickly. First up, we have this box. Now, you must be thinking कि एक box में क्या ही special है? But no, this is not a regular box. This is special because it's not just a box, it's a jewelry organizer. इसमें बहुत सारे sections है. This is basically for your earrings or just, bracelets. This is for your rings, and this is a section for your earrings again. And on the back we have a space for necklaces. So I have actually stacked all my favorite ones here. इसको मैं change करते रहती हूँ whenever whatever I feel like, and this is great for traveling and even for storing my regular day-to-day jewelry. Usually सब कुछ ना उलझ जाता है, बहुत disorganized हो जाता है, and I am not able to find anything जब मुझे ज़रूरत होती है. So that's why I bought this, and this has been a savior. Travel करते वक्त jewelry carry करना becomes a task. So इसमें सब कुछ organized रहता है, and you just have to take it out and wear whatever and just put it right back in. And that's why I think it's a must have. Secondly, we have this. Now you must be wondering कि क्या है पैकेट में छोटे से, like it looks like a really random thing, and it might be random for some people, but these are basically fashion tapes. Honestly, this has been a savior because my work allows me to wear and dress up like every day and wear different kinds of clothes, and कुछ कपड़े comfortable नहीं होते, like different necklines, different everything. So this actually comes in handy to keep everything in place, to keep my jewelry in place. This is basically like a double-sided tape, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा thin है texture में, so that it doesn't look bulky or weird when you use it with your clothes or even with your jewelry. So yeah, I've been like using it in and out almost every day. It's the best product ever. Next one is a skincare product. It's the eye patches from Dot & Key Skincare, and these are something that I swear by honestly, because usually I wake up with like puffy eyes and like a lot of swelling around my eyes. This has been really helpful to hydrate my under eyes and just get rid of all that puffiness, especially on shoot days, because again camera facing है तो puffy eyes, they don't look that great. इसको मैं usually fridge में store करती हूँ, so that when I put it under my eye, it's very relaxing and calming, and it's just a very nice step to my skincare. Next item is an extension of the last one. So I wake up with like a puffy face in the morning. What I do is I usually use this ice roller. So it's like a very tiny thing. इसको basically पानी से भरना होता है and freezer में रख दो. So इसमें ice जम जाएगा. उसके बाद में you just have to like massage your face using that ice. And I know कि normal ice भी use कर सकते हैं from the ice tray, but it's lot more convenient. This has been a very good purchase for us, and if you are someone who struggles with like a puffy face in the morning, then this can be your savior too. Now next one is a travel friendly / skincare product, and there's something that I've recently gotten. So these are basically acne patches from this brand called Gush Beauty. You have like a bunch of patches over here. कोई भी travel plan है या event में जाना है या something important is coming up, and we girls tend to get pimple right before an important event. It's a worldwide problem. So उसमें ये काफ़ी काम आता है. Maybe it will take like a couple of days to actually work, but it's a great like alternative to all your creams or ointments or just all of that. It just gets messy, but this is very convenient to use. The next product is a recent addition to my overall makeup routine, honestly. So these are the reusable makeup removing pads. Lately I've been into like environment को safe रखना है, and let's just reduce the overall plastic waste and stuff like that. Like I've been thinking about it actively. I have completely stopped using the wet wipes or the cotton pads that you get in the market, and I've replaced it with these. So you can actually reuse them for a really long time with your regular like micellar water or any oil cleanser that you are using to remove your makeup. Again, got these from Amazon, and all the product links would be in the description box in case you want to check them out. Plus it's super soft, so it's really gentle on your skin and lightly exfoliates when you remove your makeup. So this has been amazing. Travel friendly bhi hai, and it will save the environment to a great extent. So let's do this, girls. Let's make this a pact. The next random item is nipple pasties and boob tape, and we all girls can agree on this point together ki it's very difficult to find what to wear under what, and especially with your fancy necklines and fancy tops and stuff like that. So nipple pasties work really well with all your like deep necklines, and boob tape is a great option for all those backless dresses and backless tops and just really fancy stuff, because it will just provide you good support and you don't have to worry about anything. This one is by this brand called Nude, and these I got from Amazon or Myntra. So again, links would be in the description box. Great products for women out there. For this next product, you all are going to thank me, because these are going to save your feet from all those really horrible shoe bites. These are shoe cushions that you can basically stick on to any of your uncomfortable shoe, like protect your feet from all those shoe bites, because they are really painful. And these are better than band-aids, because band-aids usually single use rehta hai, and you can actually like stick them on forever. Invest in these and just make your uncomfortable shoe comfortable. Next item is for all the girlies who love taking pictures and photos of themselves while getting ready or just very randomly on the streets. It's this silicone thing that is very trending right now. So you basically take your phone and stick it on the back. Now you can just, stick your phone on any like plain surface or mirror and take pictures, videos, whatever that you wanna take. I don't really need a tripod everywhere I go. I can just find a plain surface and record my outfit of the day and stuff like that. So it's pretty nice. The next item is this little guy. It's a gua sha. Now this one is from Tira Beauty, and you find them like everywhere nowadays. So this actually is very helpful in my nighttime skincare routine. Sometimes I have that time and bandwidth जब मुझे face massage करने का मन होता है, and I just put on like a nice moisturizer, and फिर मैं ये use करती हूँ on like just my jawline, under my eyes, just getting rid of all the tension that is like piled up the entire day, and it's very relaxing more than anything. So yeah, I love using this, and I think every girl deserves a little bit of self-love in terms of like a good face massage. So yeah, if you don't already use one, just get it and you won't regret it, trust me. Last product on the list is silk pillowcases. Now I know all of us are prone to hair fall and stuff like that. So silk pillowcases really help to reduce hair fall and just keep your hair nice, healthy and happy, I would say. Yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and learned something new from all these items that I have randomly collected, and they have been really useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your girls and comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.